Today I'm going to show some variation on the guillotine choke. I've been teaching this at some of my workshops recently. So the nice thing about this guillotine choke is that I can roll the head down to be able to get the choke. With a standard normal guillotine, we have to get the arm over the top. So this one is nice, be able to roll the head down and I can apply the guillotine choke. All right. It's almost similar to the Muay Thai neck tie position. So if I do a normal one here, if I grab Bradley around the neck here and he looks up, it's like really tough to break his posture. But if I roll it to the top of his head here, I can roll this in and drop the posture right here. And that's what we want with this guillotine choke. So first movement here is going to be on the top, the crown of his head right here. Second one is going to be, I'm going to grab with the fingers, cupping here, U-clamp, grabbing on the inside here and holding on the back of the head. This hand here is going to guide him to underneath the armpit. When I place the head under the armpit, this hand does not let go. I continue holding onto this hand here. All right, so I'm going to drop the head down under the armpit, and then the squeeze goes on and it kicks in really, really quickly. All right, so I'll show you on the other side. So we start off with a hand on the back of the head. This is going to drop his posture down. Okay, as I'm grabbing here, palm, U-clamp, and then drop the head down under the armpit. Okay, let me stress again, I'm still holding on here, I'm not letting go. It's really important that you still hold on here. This creates that immediate kicking leverage that we got. So on the back here, reach, pop, and there. And unlike the normal standard guillotine, you don't really have to step in here to get the hips in here, because once it's in here and it kicks in extremely quickly. You must just test it out. So how do we apply this? Where, in a stand up and clench and ground even, all right? So the first way would be if we get a neutral neck tie position right here. And while I've got this neutral neck tie position, I can shoot underneath here, pop the head down and drop it underneath, and I can start applying the choke right here. So this is a good way how you can drill it. From here, okay, reach underneath, pop, and grab. You could even get away with it from here, where you pop and then reach underneath here and then grab. Okay, so watch that one again. So I can pop the head down, then turn the hip and drop underneath to grab. See here, grab there, and then drive its head under the armpit. All right. Otherwise, the standard variation would be here, reach, pop, step here. How do we apply it against the fence? For example, in the MMA or in the street variation. So I could be putting a frame right here, okay, where we're busy striking. And as I'm framing right here, I can reach behind the head, cup, and same idea, driving him up against the fence. Okay, so watch again. I could frame him right here, okay, or a spacer, and then from here, reach. I could be striking, grab. Okay, so strike, grab. Or from here, just frame right here, immediately reach, cup, pop, and put him under the armpit. Right, on the ground, turn the position. So on the ground, another way we can do it on the ground is similar, where I've got top position right here like a guillotine, and I can reach underneath here, right? And then I can move in there, or I can be popping the head down here, reach, grab, and apply it right here. Okay? So I don't really like applying this specific guillotine on the ground, but just remember, if the head is down already, all I need to do is reach and cup right here and guide this head under the armpit, and I can apply the submission right there. So let's just recap quickly again to make sure, important points. So important is to roll the head down. Second one is to make sure you get a cup here, U-clamp right here. Keep this here, and then this hand here guides the head under the armpit. All right? So here guides it under the armpit. And once we're there, this does not let go. Everything stays tight, and then I just squeeze together, and you'll see how quickly it kicks in. Give it a go.